There are a million different ways for you to make money as an entrepreneur, right? You can make money as an internet marketer. You can make money in real estate. You can make money doing Forex. And even underneath the internet marketing umbrella, you can make money as an affiliate. You can make money launching your own product. You can make money doing e-commerce, right? There are a million different ways for you to make money in your own home business. I'll just use that as a giant umbrella term. And today I'm going to share with you the number one absolute best way for you to make money. Are you ready for it? Hey everybody, what's up? Devon Brown here, and today what I want to share with you is I want to share with you the number one best way to make money in your own home-based business. And I know that's a bold claim. There are a million different ways for you to make money as an entrepreneur, right? You can make money as an internet marketer. You can make money in real estate. You can make money doing Forex. And even underneath the internet marketing umbrella, you can make money as an affiliate. You can make money launching your own product. You can make money doing e-commerce, right? There are a million different ways for you to make money in your own home business. I'll just use that as a giant umbrella term. And today I'm going to share with you the number one absolute best way for you to make money. Are you ready for it? Here it is. Whichever way you are going to be consistent with. That's the best way for you to make money. Do I know people who have made millions of dollars doing real estate investing? Yes. Do you know people? Is making money in real estate investing a real thing? Yes, it is. As long as you are consistent with it and you're willing to go through the trials and the tribulations and the hiccups and the speed bumps, which are sure to happen. You can absolutely make a crap ton of money doing real estate investing, which, by the way, I know nothing about, but it's a real thing. Can you make money affiliate marketing and selling other people's products on the internet, which is a lot of what I do? Yes, you absolutely can. As long as you are willing to be consistent. As long as you are willing to go through the trials and the tribulations and the speed bumps and the hiccups of growing your list and getting good at affiliate marketing. You can absolutely make money with it. Can you make money doing Forex trading? Yes, you absolutely can. I have a good friend of mine and she does extremely well doing Forex trading. The key is, I'll say it again, as long as you are consistent, as long as you are willing to go through the trials and the tribulations and the hiccups and the speed bumps to make money with it. Right? Because that's the one common thing that all of these things have in common is that at first when you start, you're gonna suck. That's just how crap works. It's like life. And you're supposed to suck. And then you get better and you get better and you get better and you get better and you get better. The problem is that you start off and you suck and then you try to get better and it doesn't really work and you try to get better and you get this much better but you're not really making money. And you try to get a little bit better and then 3 weeks later you quit and you're on to the next thing. Oh, well, real estate investing didn't work. I'm going to go try affiliate marketing. And what you don't realize is that when you start affiliate marketing, you start back here at the bottom. It's all the same. No matter which one you try, you're going to start at the bottom. You're going to suck. And it's those of us who stick with it consistently enough who end up making the real money. The reason so few people make money in any of this stuff is that so few of us are willing to go through the trials and tribulations to get good at doing it. And by the way, I'm not throwing stones here because it took me 7 years to figure this out. Because I used to jump in this. I paid $4,000 for a real estate investing course. I was a real estate investor for 3 days after the course. I was like, this is hard. I don't want to do this anymore. This sucks. And I want to try something else. And I jumped into like 15 different MLM programs, right? And I kept doing the same thing, jumping in, sucking, making $5 or not making any money at all, and then quitting and going to the next thing, jumping in, sucking. And then it was this vicious cycle that repeated itself until I said, you know what? I might want to actually stick with something long enough for it to plan out. There's an old saying, it says, we underestimate what we can accomplish in 3 months. Let me rephrase it. We overestimate what we can accomplish in 3 months, and we underestimate what we can accomplish in 3 years. You want the riches in 3 months. Good luck. The riches actually can come in 2 to 3 years, assuming you are consistent. All right? So the best way to make money online is the way that you are going to be the most consistent with. And that kind of dovetails into the second thing I kind of want to say with regard to that. It's the way that plays to your natural strengths and the way that you are most excited about. So if I had to choose a way to make money online, knowing what I know now, I'm just going to choose what plays to my natural strengths. If you are really good at going into homes and rehabbing them and stuff like that, then real estate investing might be a better play for you than internet marketing. If technology is really easy for you and you can throw up a website in 2 seconds, then internet marketing might be a better play for you than real estate investing, right? So whatever gets you excited, whatever plays to your natural strengths, whatever's easiest for you, whatever excites you, go do that, but just be willing to do it consistently. It's not that real estate investing is better or worse than internet marketing, right? It's just that they're different, but they both take consistency, and you're gonna suck at either one of them. So just pick the one that you like the best and be willing to be consistent with it. That's the best one that's gonna make you the most money. I hope that makes sense, all right? That's all I got. Feel free to comment on this video, like it, share it. I'll snap my fingers, I'll switch my feet, and I'll talk to you guys later. Have a great day. Bye-bye. Hey, Devon here. Thanks so much for taking the time to watch this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and connect with me on social media. And if you enjoyed this content, be sure to share it with your friends.